Welcome back to the next topic, students. Bidentates, or we can call it as a didentates. Bidentates or didentate. Dentate means just like a tooth, it will be locked with a central metal atom. So what are ligands are called as a dentates? Unidentate, bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate, like that. The tooth, it will be locked with the central metal ion called as a bidentate with the two donor atoms. One ligand contains two donor atoms. For example, CH2, CH2 with NH2, NH2. So water, two donor nitrogen atoms are present in one ethylene diamine. An oxalato COO minus COO minus 2O minus. So two oxygen atom donor present in oxalate is called oxalate 2, suffix of O, and glycine, so glycinate 2. So it is a glycinate of NH2, CH2, COO minus. In this, nitrogen is a donor atom, oxygen is a donor atom. So one nitrogen, one oxygen donor atom is present in glycinate 2. Then polydentates may be more than 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. It present is called polydentates, ligand having more than two donor atoms. Only two donor atoms is called bidentates. Only one donor atom is called unidentates. More than two donor atoms are called polydentates or tridentates, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate, like that. Tooth. Dentate is called tooth is comparing. So tridentate contains three donor atoms and tetradentate contains four donor atoms. Pentadentate contains five donor atoms. Hexadentate contains six donor atoms. So one by one we will see these examples. Tridentates contains three nitrogen donor atom. Example, diethylene triamine. So two CH2 CH2 in a blue color I marked and connected with the three amine groups. So NH2, NH2 are called amine, NH is called imine. So here one lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair are present on nitrogen. So they are called as a three donor atoms, three donor nitrogen atoms. So it is called tridentate. Next example for tetradentate contains four nitrogen donor atoms. Triethylene tetraamine is the example for tetradentate. Four amines are present, so there are four nitrogen donor atom connected with the three ethylene. So it is called triethylene. CH2, CH2, one ethylene, CH2, CH2, second ethylene, CH2, CH2, third ethylene. So triethylene connected with the four amines. So here NH2, NH, NH, NH2. NH2 is called amine, amido. NH is called amido, commonly called as a amine. So 1, 2, 3, 4 donor atoms are present. Come to the next example. Pentadentate should contain 5 donor atoms. In this example, ethylene diamine triacetate. So diamine 2 nitrogen, triacetate 3 oxygen donor atom, 2 nitrogen donor atom, 3 oxygen donor atoms are present in the same example of ethylene diamine triacetate. So it is called 2 plus 3, 5 dentate, 5 donor atoms. So here CH2, CH2 is connected with the NH2, NH2 means instead of one hydrogen, CH2COO minus acetate is substituted. Instead of two hydrogen, 2 CH2COO minus is attached instead of 2 hydrogen. So here two nitrogen donor atom and here 1, 2, 3 oxygen donor atom. Totally 5 donor atoms are present is called a pentadentate. Next, hexadentate. EDTA is the example. EDTA is one of the medicine to be given those who taken a poison in order to remove the poison metals. we can use the EDTA because complex salts always are more soluble than the simple salt. So we should make into a, lock with the poisonous metal to the EDTA tablets or medicines. We can easily remove the poison. So those who come to the suicide of taking the poisons. So hexadentate is a EDTA. EDTA is ethylene for E, diamine is a D, tetra is called T, acetate is called A. EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. The IUPAC name is called as a 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash. Hyphen to be written because it is a Arabian letter and this is alphabetical letter. We should write a hyphen between these two. Then it should be enclosed in a closed bracket because this is a parental carbon. So what? Ethane hyphen Arabian letters 1, 2. Then again hyphen because alphabetical letter is come. So between Arabian numerals as well as the alphabets, we should put a hyphen. Dinyl dinitrile, this is LO, nitrilo. It is enclosed in bracket because these are a parental carbon and tetraacetato. O is the suffix of acetato. 6 donor atom, it contains 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen. This is the structure for ethylene diamine. Tetraacetato structure, CH2, CH2 and N. Instead of 2 hydrogen, 2 CH2COO minus is attached. Instead of 2 hydrogen here, 2 times of CH2COO minus is attached. And COO group is called carboxylate ion. This and the functional group of all the functional group, among the functional group, carboxylate ion is the first priority. So in one video, I given the priority of all the functional group. You just see that carboxylate, it is 1. Priority to be goes to the main functional group 1 and then 2 hydrocarbon. Then same way we should come across for the second CH2COO minus number 1 and this 2. For example, in your school, there are 4 sessions or all bio group alone is there means pure science group and bio group is there. Biomax groups are there. In biomax group, there are 4 sessions are there means equal priority to be given to all the 4 sessions. So they will say A dash students for the second session, third session same biology group. So A double dash students and third A triple dash, not being giving A, B, C, D like that. So giving priority to all A. So what this is the first A and this is A dash, double dash and A triple dash given to all equal priority. So here like this I have given 1 and second number here 2. Then for next CH2COO minus equal priority to be given. So this is 1 and this is a 2 dash. Then for the third CH2COO minus 1 and this is a 2 double dash. And then for the fourth one, this is first one, this is second, 2 triple dash. So 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash in order to distinguish. So here this is called 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash is the mentioned here. 2 single dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash and the hyphen because it is going to start the alphabets hyphen and then enclosing within a square bracket we should write a parental carbon. So next we should come across to this. Here acetic acid, note bin I have written acetic acid CH3COOH. When you remove one hydrogen, it becomes CH3COO minus acetate ion called as acetate ion. CH3COO minus is called acetate ion. From acetate ion, if I remove one more hydrogen is a CH2COO minus is called as a, it is nothing but 2 position, 2 dash position, 2 double dash position, 2 triple dash position. Already I told you here. So 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash, 4 acetate ion. So it is called as a tetraacetato. That is called 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash, tetraacetato. So here 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash and tetraacetato. So Now we'll see this next portion. We completed this. We will come across these two portions. So that is what I have written here. Without acetate ions, I have written only nitrogen, and this nitrogen, it is the valency of nitrogen is 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is called nitrilo, and this is also called as a nitrilo. 2 nitrilo is substituted, so it is called dinitrilo. Then for naming this CH2, it is nothing but CH3, CH3. Remove one hydrogen, we should call as aryl, CH2 aryl, first carbon. Next second carbon, removing one hydrogen, also it becomes a aryl. So it is called 2-aryl. So 2 aryls are called as a diaryl. The position is 1,2-diaryl, ethane. First parental hydrocarbon, ethane. And hyphen for Arabian letter, 1, 2, hyphen for the alphabets, diaryl. Ethane hyphen 1, 2 hyphen diaryl. Ethane 1, 2 diaryl. So to be written in a close bracket. So I have written here. It is ethane 1, 2 diaryl dinitrilo. So what the name is, finalized name is 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash hyphen ethane 1,2-diaryl dinitrilo tetraacetato. So this is line bond notation. In previous video, I have given a brief answer for a line bond notation. You just take the line bond notation and follow all that is all comes under CH2, CH2, CH2 should come up. So what you just see that all the examples of how to write the carbon and hydrogen. You see this C and double bond O, O minus CH2. This is N now. So CH2, C double bond O, O minus. This is CH2, C double bond O, O minus. This is CH2, C double bond O, O minus. This is CH2, C double bond O, O minus. So CH2, COO minus 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you just see all these things and then you find out this is CH2, CH2, only one CH2 and a CH2. Here just to see this. Here only one CH2, CH2. Then here NN. Then CH2, COO minus 4 times. So this is called line bond notation. Be thorough this line bond notation. They will give alone this line bond notation. They will ask you what is the name of the compound. Please learn the in a previous video, I have given briefly about a line bond notation. Thank you, students.